Welcome back, guys. So let's double check just the local zones for Aptus. We're more than okay to open long position. Global targets, you remember, and on dark mode you can't see the zone of accumulation, but this is the same FIB what I posted before. So 846 and 9310. So this is going to be the zone of fixation profit for swing trades. I don't think so. We will drop an invalidated area leasing price on OKX under $1, so I don't think so. So now we consolidate around the best zone to buy. So locally, let's focus on the daily and the smaller even time frames. We're more than okay to open longs. So technically, this is a monthly, yearly open $1.66. I don't think so. We will drop under $1.63. So let's go to the smaller one. So we almost test 100 EMA on the 12-hour time frame. The 100 EMA on the daily is going to be the next target. And also pay attention here. This is a daily gap, and 100 EMA on a daily, it's exactly around the 50% of that gap. And the next step will be the $3.42. It's 200 EMA. By opens, I think it's going to be the consolidation pump, after that the correction, and by end of January, so this one, inside this block we can start forming the the local break of structure on the small time frame. So technically, if this was the last impulse down, so like this one, so this is a break of structure on the daily time frame. Here, this one. So we already break the structure. I can say, I know, I'm not a fan of this one. We have to close the candle, body candle above the break of structure or not, or with the week, how it's correct, So we get a fact. So we break the last impulse down, break the structure, correction, close the over than 50% of the daily imbalance zone on a daily. So the best scenario for us, if we just consolidate in the range and start climbing up to the gap on the daily, next one 100 AMA, and build the uptrend structure, So all eyes now, today's Saturday, so all eyes how we will open the Monday session. And I hope the gold is stopped at, and some liquidity will start inflowing to Bitcoin and the altcoin. So let's take a look. ADZ on the daily, this is neutral, so it's not a bullish, not a bearish, but here was a main accumulation. So I think yes, now it's more than okay to start looking the long position. If we take a look on a 12 time frame, of course better if we will wait and open the long at this order block. So for me personally, it will be more reasons, more logical entry at this order block. It's around $1.70. So the stop loss can be under this low, like 3%. So let's count the 5. So 5% with second leverage, it can be $1.61 stop loss, and the target, so 10% against 200 AMA, 100. So 10% against 100. So it's pretty good. It can be the pretty good win rate. I'm gonna add alert for this order block, and I will wait. So locally by percentage, it can be the drop like 9%. So yes, for me, the order block on a 12 time frame and a daily time frame, it can be like an entry for a long. If you want to open a long even now, try, but with a kind of short stop loss, tiny stop loss around here, because if we sweep this liquidity pool, smaller one on 12 time frame, you can be sure we definitely will drop to the order block. So this is my idea. All right, the ADZ we can close. dashboard. I highly recommend you guys use the dashboard. It's all in one place, all indicator in one place where you can just adjust the time frames and track it. Direction, this was accumulation, the last one. So December 12 till December 19, been in accumulation and reversal move with a break of structure on the daily. And now neutral, not bullish, not bearish. Market mood. Also, I don't like to open trades on weekend. Daily, it's some hopium, but take a look since 15, even 11, 10, October 10, we are in capitulation, disbelief zone. So this, for me, it's really, really important moment. So we break finally the structure on the daily. Now it's a hopium. Money power. Locally here, 1, December 7, December 18, RSI bullish divergency, pump. Now money outflow, 1-2 days money outflow. So I'm gonna add alert for Aptus money inflow on the daily, 12 time frame, no money inflow, but some fixation was only on the daily. And the last one, 2 indicators, it's trade on. The last one, signal buy, recommendation close position, no signals to sell. I think the signals to sell we will see inside this block. So it's between 272, 241 on 12 time frame. Daily only buys with one recommendation close position. So it's a part of position you can close, because of course, if you already open it, for example, this trade, it can be like 35%. So even with the cycle leverage, it's like approximately 70% profit. So it's more than okay, guys, to take some profit, maybe like 10%, 20%, and add the stop loss at the break even. It will be not a mistake. Take profit, guys, line. Here, the order block is around the buy line on the daily, $1.60, 12-hour time frame. It's so low. If we will drop to the buy line on the daily on the 12 time frame, it will be pretty hard, guys. It's $1.19. That's why for me personally, everything looks like this one, and go to take profit line, daily imbalance zone, 200 AMA. So to liquidate all this order flow, for me, it's more logical to move upside. But of course, it's just an idea, we can't know the future. Daily take profit line, now it's 319. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Aptus. If you'd like to trade with my customer care, I will show it on this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.